Welcome guys to another video on my channel. It's nice to see you all here again. If you're new, my name is Joseph and you can subscribe to this channel if you want to see more behind the scenes and little tips and tricks photography related. I try to post videos on Mondays and Fridays, so please click the notification icon so you don't miss any of my new videos. Today's video, I wanted to demonstrate that you don't have to be inside a studio to shoot studio-like images. I'm doing this with Elena Iv-Skaya. She has a YouTube channel as well and you can check her out if you want. I'll put her link down below. My setup was rather simple. I used my Canon EOS R with a Sigma 85 1.4 and my Godox V860 Mark II speed light shooting through a Godox Octobox. Enjoy the video, leave a like and comment, watch to the end and see the images straight at the camera. I'll see you guys in the next one.